It was a bright, sunny morning. The students of Class 4 gathered in the school playground. Their teacher, Miss Amna, had an exciting announcement. "Children," she said, "we are going to have a school friendship fair this Friday. Each class will set up a stall to show how friends can work together and help one another. I want you all to plan and prepare something special." The children were thrilled. Zohan, Uzma, Ali, and Irha sat together under the shade of a large tree. "Let's make a friendship tree," suggested Uzma. "We can decorate it with colorful leaves and write kind messages for each other." "That's a great idea," said Ali. "I will bring colored papers and markers." "I will design the leaves," said Ira. "We can all help each other." For the next few days, the friends worked happily, helping one another. Some students painted posters, while others arranged games. They reminded each other to stay kind and patient, even when someone made a mistake. Finally, the big day arrived. The school playground was full of stalls, colorful balloons, and cheerful music. Every class displayed their work. The friendship tree stood tall in the middle. Covered with bright paper leaves, each leaf had a message like, "Help each other, be kind, and share your smile." Everyone loved it. The principal praised the class for their teamwork. "When we work together and support one another, we shine brighter," she said. The children clapped and cheered. They promised to always help one another and work as a team.